Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another OBS tutorial. Today, I'll be showing you how to change your resolution. Now, before we get started, I will ask, please make sure to like and subscribe if you end up liking the tutorial. It really helps the videos and the algorithm. And without further ado, what you're going to want to do is go to File, click Settings. Then once your settings open up, you're going to go to the Video tab. Then in the Video tab, you can change both your canvas resolution and your output resolution. Now, whatever your canvas resolution is what you'll see right here in this OBS thing. While your actual output scaled resolution is what the file that your OBS outputs will be. Now, if you want your files to be best quality, obviously make these the same number. This will also usually run the best because your computer doesn't have to downscale at all. But if you want to save file space, you're free to reduce it. And that's it. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next one.